Today we're going to show you how to change a vegetable pan cover on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job and you won't need any tools. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll start by opening the refrigerator door. We'll remove any items that are on the lower crisper and in the crispers themselves. We'll start by pulling the crisper drawers out, setting those aside. We'll reach in underneath, lift up on the back of the glass, push it back slightly, and carefully lift that out. We'll set that aside. Next, we'll lift up on the front of the crisper frame, pull it out and discard it. Install a new one. Simply slide it back into position. Make sure it hooks on the front. We'll replace the crisper glass. Just push it back a little farther than it would normally sit. Then tuck it into the front until it sits flush. Replace the crisper pans. Make sure they slide freely. Replace all the food items, and our repair is complete.